Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a super rare face, and that's because we're going to be talking about skincare. So Dr. Dennis Gross reached out to me and wanted me to do a review of the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peels. So if you want to see my review of these peels, then obviously stay tuned. But before you do that, I'm going to need you to subscribe to my channel. So hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere over here. Alright, subscribe. Okay, we're good? Alright, so keep watching. So Dr. Dennis Gross was kind enough to send me some of the Alpha Beta Peel products, as well as a super thoughtful, handwritten card here. And it just comes with this note right here that says, "Hi Brittany, we're so excited to have you in our Eye Appeal campaign. Visible results with medical grade formulas and no downtime. Resurrect radiance with DDG skincare. Get ready for your best skin yet. XO, the DDG skincare team." So I just want to take a second and thank the Dr. Dennis Gross team for reaching out to me. This was honestly an honor because I've heard of the Dr. Dennis Gross products before. Some of you may not know, but I used to work at Sephora for 3 years, so I'm very familiar with the products and I actually tried the products. So today I'm just going to be informing you and showing you guys how to use the peel pads. So what I like about the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads is they really help to speed up that cell turnover. So for me, I have acne, or my very mild acne, so I'll get a pimple here and there. But what sucks is it'll leave dark marks. So you guys can see what my skin looks like right now in front of the camera. I have some on my forehead, a couple on my chin, and various things like that. So what I love about these peel pads is they really just help those dark marks fade significantly quicker than if they're fading on their own. And that's why I really love these products. It also has, of course, other skincare benefits for helping with large pores, wrinkles, fine lines, and anti-aging and things like that. I'm only 27, so I don't have to worry about that right now. But in the future, I'm sure I will, or hopefully I won't, because I've been using these peel pads. So this is what the peel pad looks like, and it just comes in a 2-step, and I'm just going to show you guys how to use them just in case you guys are interested. I'm pretty sure you are interested, especially if you made it this far in the video. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads. So I just went ahead and washed my face, so it might be a little bit dry, just a little bit. I'm not sure. What's great about these peel pads too is if you have any flakiness, it's like a chemical exfoliant, so it's really just going to help get rid of all of that dead skin, that excess oil, and things like that. So like I said, there's step 1 and step 2. So you open step 1 here, you take out your pad, you unfold it, and it's pre-moistened with the treatment, and you just go ahead and rub it on your face until the pad is dry. Then as you can see, or maybe you can't, there is a little bit of dirt here, which is interesting because like I just said, I just washed my face and I used my Clarisonic. So just got some of that dirt and some of that dead skin that I had just sitting on the surface. So before you go ahead and do step 2, you're supposed to wait 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and wait my 2 minutes and then do step number 2. Alright, so it's been about 2 minutes and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So I'm just going to open step number 2, take out my peel pad here, and then just basically repeat what I did with the first one. And then as you can see, there is a little bit of dirt left on this one as well, which like I said, I'm slightly surprised just because I did wash my face, but that's probably just dead skin that was sitting on top of my face. Alright, and we're done. So it was literally that easy, just step 1, 2, you wait 2 minutes in between, and that's it. And I can already feel my skin feels a lot better just because, like I said, I did just wash it. So it was a little bit on the dry side. It was a little bit flaky. So the peel pads really help to just kind of chemically exfoliate my skin, help again with that cell turnover, and get rid of that dead skin that was just basically blocking my shine and my radiance that your skin naturally has. These peel pads are amazing, and as you can kind of hear from the rattling around in the box, I don't have that many left. So since I use the extra strength, I like to do these every other day, and I typically like to use them at the nighttime. So right now it is 8:46. So I just like to use them at night after I've kind of taken off all my makeup, or I've washed my face, done my skincare routine. Like, this is kind of how I want to finish off my skin, and then maybe adding a moisturizer or serum, and you are good to go. So if you're interested in trying the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Pads, you can pick them up at Sephora.com, Sephora stores, as well as drdennisgross.com. I will include a link in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel Pads. If you did, obviously give this video a thumbs up. And you know what? I'm giving you a second chance to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm not sure where it is, but you know what to do. And thank you guys once again. Thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Bye.